Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download GTA 5 on PC and laptop. Alright, let's begin. To download GTA 5 on your PC or laptop, start by opening any web browser and searching for Steam. Steam is a game marketplace and launcher used to download and manage games. Open the Steam website and create a free account if you do not already have one. After signing up, click on Install Steam and download the launcher. Once the download finishes, open the Steam setup file and follow the installation steps. After Steam launches, sign into your account. GTA 5 is a paid game, so click on the search bar, type GTA 5 and open the game page. Then scroll down and select the edition you want. Add it to your cart, continue to payment, and complete the purchase. After buying the game, go to your library. Select GTA 5 and click Install. The game will download and install automatically. Once finished, launch GTA 5 from Steam or your desktop shortcut. So that's basically how you can download GTA 5 on PC and laptop. That's it for this video. Thanks.